What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up, you guys? It's SkinnyBoyRandy. What's up? I hope you're having a great, growing, blessed, and prosperous day. I love you guys. You are the best. Thank you so much for being here. You are the best. Thank you so much. How are you guys doing? Thank you so much for being here. It's hot out here in Zone 7, Richmond, Virginia, and I'm making a video, and I just wanted to share some information with you guys because I'm so excited. I thank you guys so much for being here. Thank you. How are you today? I hope you're blessed. I hope you're safe. I hope you and your family are doing well. Yes, you guys, how are you? Welcome to the Skinny Boy Gardening Farms. If you're new to my channel, welcome to Gardening with Skinny Boy Randy, where beginners and experts are always welcome. Okay, I love you guys. Leave a thumbs up, thumbs down, just not to the middle fingers. Okay, I love you. Okay. So let's get into this video, you guys. Don't forget, share the video. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Okay. The sun keeps coming in and out, so you may see the light going up and down, but we're going to talk about starting our YouTube channel. Yep, we're going to talk about starting a YouTube channel, you guys. Yes. God has been so good to me as far as this YouTube. Yes, you guys, you can start your own YouTube channel. Don't forget, do what you like to do. You can start your own YouTube channel and make extra money. I'm making money that I didn't even know I could make. I could have been doing this long time ago, sharing my videos. I didn't know, y'all. I ain't no YouTubers. I ain't know nothing about that. Okay, I ain't know. Because I ain't got no money. And I can use extra money because I ain't got no money. I ain't got no money. Okay. But yeah, you guys. So let's just get right into the video. We're going to talk about starting your YouTube channel. Okay? So this is Skinny Boy Randy's experience. All right. I joined YouTube back in 2002, like 8 years ago. I didn't join YouTube to make videos. I joined YouTube to watch other people's videos and be able to say, I like it, or I want to subscribe to their channel. You can't like and subscribe to people's channel, you guys, unless you're a member of YouTube. And being a member of YouTube is just simply clicking on join YouTube. Okay. That's all you got to do. All they want is an email address, your regular email address, your Gmail address, and start you a YouTube account. Yeah, you guys, just go ahead and join YouTube. Then you can click like and subscribe, or you can click thumbs up, thumbs down. You just can't click them two middle fingers, okay? I may make an app on the two middle fingers because we don't want that. But anyway, I love you guys. Thank you so much for being here. You're the best. But yeah. Okay, you guys, we're going to jump right into this video. We're going to make this video short and sweet. First thing you need to do is join YouTube. You click on join YouTube, put in your email address, and you will be a member of YouTube. I did it a long time ago. I didn't join YouTube to make money. I joined YouTube so I could watch other people's channel and click like and subscribe. So last year, I decided to, let me post a video. Yeah. I have been on YouTube, you guys. Been on YouTube. So I decided to post a video, and I had some feedback, and people were like, okay, post another one. So I just started posting videos, you guys. I'm not going to hold you long. But yeah, first of all, join YouTube. Step number 1. First of all, I love you. You're the best. Thank you so much for being here. Number 2, I got my little notes up here, y'all, for y'all. Watch YouTube. Well, I just covered both of those. Going on YouTube and joining and watching. I was watching YouTube and I couldn't comment because I wasn't a member. Okay, number 3, decide what you want to do. If you want to just start a YouTube channel, decide what you want to do. What is your channel going to be about? I started all different kind of channels, you guys. I started eating. That was based off of Be Love. Yeah. So I tried that, and I'm like, I can't eat that much. So this is not my thing. This is her thing. And other people's thing that eat, on their YouTube. And then I tried nothing else. I didn't try anything else. I just started doing my garden. Yep. I started my garden on YouTube April 14th of last year, you guys. Yep. So I really started doing my YouTube about a year and a few months ago. I've been on YouTube, but I just started doing my channel as far as going hard and being serious about, okay, I want to share what I'm doing with the world. Okay, I love you guys. You're the best. Thank you so much. And you guys have been so supportive. We're almost at 4,000 viewers. Thank y'all. Okay, so I decided to go ahead and start making videos. Once I move into my new home, which I'm here now, and in about 4 or 5 days, it'll be 1 year I'm in this house. This house had nothing but dirt. You guys know. But okay, we're going to go back into starting your YouTube channel. So, once you figure out what you want to do, why do you want to start a YouTube channel? What are you going to share with the world? Are you going to stay focused? Are you going to give them your all? Are you going to just let everybody know you're giving them everything you got? Give them everything you got. I love you guys. It's not a hard job, but it's a hard job. You have to tell everybody how much you love them and let them know that you're not doing it just to be doing it, because I want to share what I know from North Carolina and my family and friends with you guys. Okay? So, pick out what you want to do. You can't be all over the place, because if you're doing gardening, if you're doing hair, if you're doing makeup, if you're doing all these different things, no one can put your channel together, okay? And the algorithm, yeah, research the algorithm on YouTube, and that's just this circulation thing that if you're not putting out videos, if you don't at least do 3 videos a week, you might not be in the algorithm, which means you might not be in the loop. Who knows? I don't know. I'm not gonna say I'm a professional. I'm still learning. So okay, you guys, I started my YouTube channel. Well, I didn't start my YouTube channel. I joined YouTube about 8 years ago, but I started making videos, putting my first video up on April the 14th of last year. Yeah. So now we're in June of 2020, and I just want to share with you guys how I made my money, how I started, and how it works. Okay, you join YouTube, you upload a video. There's a little square up there in the top. You click on the little plus sign, and it'll say upload a video. Click on upload a video. Make your video in advance, and then when you go to YouTube, it'll say upload that video, and then you just upload it. So once you upload your video, you guys, you have to go online and go to the analytics and type in the name of your video. Type in what your video is all about, the description, all that good stuff. Okay, so once you do that, you've made a video. You uploaded your video. You put it your description. You put in the date of your video if you want to. It takes 1,000 members. 1,000 members. Excuse me, you guys. It takes 1,000 members in order for you to get monetized. Excuse me, you guys. I'm sorry. But yeah, it takes 1,000 members and 4,000 watch hours. What that means is you need 1,000 subscribers. People who've liked, people who've subscribed to your channel, you know. And that takes, I thought it was easy, and I'm thinking, okay, I just post a video and it's going to be easy. Nah. You just post your video and people will find you. Okay? Okay! So, you have to have 1,000 subscribers. First of all, that's 1,000 people clicking on I'm subscribing to SkinnyBoyRandy's channel. And then you have to have 4,000 watch hours, which means 4,000 hours of people watching you. So you know 60 minutes is 1 hour. You need 4,060 minutes. Okay? Okay. Yes. So you know 60 minutes is 1 hour. But you need 4,000 hours. So you just do the math. Okay? Okay. So you need the 1,000 subscribers, and then you need the 4,000 watch time hours. Okay? Okay. And then you pick your thing. What are you going to do? Don't just pick anything. You can't do that. I'm doing the gardening. I do eating sometimes. I do cooking sometimes. But the gardening is what my subscribers said, yeah, we want to see that. We want to see more of that. So you follow your gardeners, okay? Okay, I love you guys. You're the best. Number 4, watch other people. You have to go to their channel. You have to go to other people's channel and you have to subscribe. You have to watch. You have to show them some love. You know, if you have a super chat just means you watching somebody live and you want to donate them some money towards their channel. That's what the super chat is, okay? Okay. So go and watch other people's channel. Yes, you have to. The airplane wants to come again, of course. Okay, and then what you want to do, you want to join other people's channel. You want to click like and subscribe. You want to get on their channel and you want to leave them a comment, not just some generic comment. You want to leave them a real comment. Let them know that you're here, you're watching, you're subscribing, you're taking their advice. That's what you want to do. It really takes all that, you guys. I'm not just saying this just to be saying it. Okay. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I ain't got the like crack. You really have to go and watch other people. You have to subscribe to other people. You have to just be a part of the community. Whatever you're doing, if you're doing makeup, be a part of the makeup community. If you're doing hair, be a part of the hair community. I'm a part of gardening, so I'm a part of the gardening community, and I love all my gardening friends, okay? I can't call all the names out because I don't want to leave anybody out. Next thing you want to do, share your videos. Once you make your video and you upload it, you have to share it, you guys. If you're a part of all different types of groups, you need to share it. Share your content with all of your groups. I'm a part of so many groups on Facebook. I'm a part of groups on Instagram. I'm a part of groups on Twitter. I'm a part of groups on YouTube. Yeah. And every time I upload a video, I have to do my job. YouTube is my second job right now, you guys. Okay. And I'll tell you why. But YouTube is my second job and I'm doing great right now. Yeah. So far, so good. Just starting out, getting monetized. I'm starting off. I'm doing great. I thank the Lord. Hallelujah. Yes, you guys, I love you. You're the best. So, yeah, you make sure that you go and share your videos on all your social media platforms. Tell your family and friends. They're the best ones. Tell your family and friends to share your stuff, okay? I love you. You're the best. And then, be original. Don't try to be like somebody else. Do not try to be like somebody else. Be you. I had somebody send me a message yesterday or day before yesterday, right? I ain't gonna call no name, but they were like this, Randy, we don't need you to be all that silly. We don't need you to do all the hand motions. We don't need you to do this and that. We just need you to bring us the information, tell us from A to Z. And I'm like this, okay, but you watching my channel and you're gonna tell me how to act according to what you like me to do. I'm gonna be me all day 100. Okay, I love you guys, you're the best. But yeah, that person knows who I'm talking to, and I left them a long, nice message letting them know I'm gonna be Randy. I'm gonna be SkinnyBoyRandy no matter what. Okay. I'm not gonna let anybody tell me change the way you deliver your message. Change the way you tell people how to grow. No. I have kids watching me. I have adults. I have families. I'm gonna be me, and I love me. Okay. I love you guys. You're the best. Okay. Last but not least. Live, love, laugh, you guys. Grow stuff and eat it. Grow things that you're going to eat. Don't just grow any and everything in the world. Grow things that you're going to eat, okay? Grow things that you're going to eat. You'd be surprised. I had, these are some of my, this is some of my radish, some of the red radish. And then it went to flowering and seed. And look, you guys. You see these little pods here? These things are the best. They taste so good. When I tell you they taste so good, I ain't gonna lie. I take them and pluck them off and wipe them off with my finger. It's so good. Yes, you guys. Eat what you're growing. Grow things you're gonna eat. I love you guys. You're the best. So yeah, if you want to start your YouTube channel, first of all, join YouTube. Pick your subject. Pick what you're going to do. Be faithful. You have to make a video all the time. If you don't want to be in the algorithm, as they say, make you one video a week. But I try to make a video every day, every other day, so I can be kept up in the loop, okay? I love you guys. You're the best. So, First thing you're gonna get a Google AdSense letter. And what that means is you've been monetized. I got monetized on May 14th. Yeah, May, you guys. Last month. May 14th. Only a little bit over 30 days. Is it 30 days yet? And then I got a letter. After I was monetized, I got a letter 3 or 4 days later in the mail saying that you were monetized and this is a PIN number. They're sending me a PIN number to set up my bank account. Also, when I do my live chats, my super chats, I get a check from PayPal. Sometimes people want to send their messages and their funds via PayPal. And I thank you so much. Some people send it via Cash App. I thank you so much. So, there is so many ways to make money. So far, in my first 30 days, I made $299.64. And from May the 1st to May the 31st. The month of May. If I said the wrong ending date, yeah. But the month of May, I made $299.64 just doing my videos. Whew, Lord, I get hot all over again. Just doing my videos, I made $299 and some cents for the month of May. And now, so far, I'm already almost to that point in June and going over. Just making my videos for you guys. And the ads, the people will put ads on your page, especially if you're a nice person. If you're doing videos that people want to see, you can share with children, you can share with grandparents and everybody. The companies will put ads on your page, you guys. I didn't know that. So, yes, you guys. So far, I'm almost at $600. Starting from May 14th till to now is what, June 15th? 2 months. Well, 1 month. So far, I'm almost at $600. Yeah, I'm at $599 and some change. Yes, you guys. So, you can make your own video channel on YouTube. You can start your own garden videos. Do what you want to do, you guys. I love you. You're the best, okay? I love you. Thank you. Live, love, laugh. Grow stuff and eat it. If you want to start your YouTube channel, go ahead and do it. Don't let nobody tell you what you can and cannot do.